Arav's sister Ria has different types of puppets. She has a huge collection, but she doesn't know how to recognize the shapes. What are these shapes called? So hi, I'm Avneet from Planet Spark. In today's class, we learn about different types of shapes. We learn open and closed curve. We learn different polygons. We'll also learn what are the regular polygons. But before we start about curves and polygons, let's have a quick recap and let's understand what a line is. A line is a straight one-dimensional figure that can be infinitely extended in both directions. So a simple straight line which can be extended on both sides is called line. Line we denoted by two arrows because it can be extended on either side. I can increase its length infinitely. On contrary, a line segment is straight one-dimensional figure with two endpoints. A and B are the endpoints. I cannot extend it. It has a fixed length. If AB is of 5 centimeter, I cannot extend it. I can draw another line segment of 2 centimeter, 10 centimeter, so on. But AB has a fixed length. A ray is a straight one-dimensional figure with one endpoint. It cannot be extended from one side but can be infinitely extended from the other side. Curved are the lines which are not straight. They are called curved lines. Zigzag lines, S, all these are examples of my curved lines. Now further we are going to study about different types of curves. There are two types of curves, open curve and closed curve. An open curve is a curve whose starting and end point are different. They are not the same. If you look at the figure over here, there's a track being made. It's a zigzag shaped track. It's a curve. S is an open curve because the starting and the end point are not the same. Whereas closed curves enclose some region within it. They are the end points. Joining the end points, two end points, we get a closed curve. Circle is an example of a closed curve. Moon, ball, all these are examples of closed curve. Pizza, bangle are the closed curves. Further, we can also see few examples of open curves as well as closed curves. Triangle, shape of moon, all these are examples of closed curves. Let's have a quick review and practice out what are the closed curves and which figure are open curve. Figure 1, if we see, it is closed. Similarly, figure 2 is closed. Figure 3 is two circles enclosed within one another. That is a closed figure. Star is a closed figure. There are no open endpoints over here. Fifth one, we have two circles, but then they are joined. There is no open endpoint, so it is closed. Similarly, sixth figure, no open endpoint is closed. Now, seventh figure, the starting and the ending point are not same, so it is an open curve. Eighth one, starting and the ending point are not same. Again, it is an open curve. So this was about curves. Now let us learn about polygon and types of polygon. A polygon is a closed shape made up of line segments. It has minimum 3 sides. A closed shape. A circle is also a closed shape but is not made up of line segments, so it is not a polygon. So a polygon is a closed shape made up of line segments. It has to have minimum 3 sides. Why it has to have minimum 3 sides? Because one side it will be just a line, and from two sides I cannot make my figure close. If I have two line segments, the figure will not be closed. So a polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments. Depending upon the number of sides, we name different types of polygon. A 3-sided polygon is called a triangle. 4-sided is quadrilateral. 5-sided polygon is known as pentagon. 6-sided polygon is known as hexagon. 7-sided polygon is known as heptagon. 8-sided polygon is known as octagon. 9-sided polygon is a nanogon. And 10-sided polygon is decagon. So based on the number of sides, we have named different polygons. To practice this, to learn their names, what are they being known as. Further, my polygons are also divided as regular polygon or irregular polygon. A regular polygon is a polygon whose all sides and angles are equal. But if I have a polygon if I have a triangle whose all sides are 3 centimeter, since all sides are equal, eventually all angles would be equal, so it is a regular polygon. But if I make a triangle with side 4, 4 and 5, since all sides are not equal, it is not a regular polygon, it is an irregular polygon. Similarly, square is an example of a regular polygon because all sides of square are equal. But if I draw a rectangle with side with length and breadth as 3 and 2, since all sides are not equal, so it is not a regular polygon. So three-sided regular polygon is called equilateral triangle. Four-sided regular polygon is called square. Five-sided regular polygon, we don't have specified names, so we just call them regular pentagon. Six-sided is regular hexagon. Seven-sided is regular heptagon. Eight-sided is regular octagon. And nine-sided is regular nanogon. And 10-sided is regular decagon. So regular figures are the figures whose all sides and all angles are equal. In today's class, we have discussed about line segment and ray. We learned about open and closed curve, and we have also learned about different polygons. So this was Avneet with Planet Spark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. To book your free demo, just type the link in the bio or simply type PSpark in your browser today. Thanks for watching.